What's up, YouTube? We're back with another taste testing video. Today we're going to taste this
Bourbon bacon burger.
Yes.
Wait.
And it's not like regular bacon, it's like bacon jam. That's why it looks like that.
Oh, the bourbon bacon cheddar burger. I said cheddar, right?
Yeah, it's cheddar.
Yeah, bring it closer.
Ain't no bacon on that.
Yeah, bring it closer.
It's bacon jam, bro.
It's what?
This what it's supposed
Bacon
to.
jam.
It's like cuts into pieces, pieces by pieces.
Oh, it's good.
This what the burger's supposed to look like.
It has shot sauce, bourbon bacon jam, shallots,
You probably.
and cheddar cheese.
I'm gonna speak by the speaker because he probably can't hear you all the background.
Yeah.
So the bourbon bacon cheddar burger, the triple B, white cheddar cheeseburger topped with bourbon bacon jam made with Maker Mark's bourbon, crispy shallots and shack sauce. Oh shit, it got shack sauce on it.
What's wrong with shot sauce?
I never had it before.
You ain't never tasted it?
Hell no.
Hey, it ain't
Hopefully
bad.
it's good, but we're gonna try. Damn, nigga. All right.
Okay, I guess we're trying it now.
This is not in the video. This is my Sprite. Damn, that man just that's all crazy.
10 out of 10.
Only because we probably gonna say 10 out of 10 because we hungry. I'm hungry as shit.
But the thing is, we can't eat and then come do this shit because then we're going to be too full.
It's good. It is good.
Not because I'm hungry though, but it is good.
Nah, this ain't good. 10 out of 10. There's some knuckles in
I
it?
would have no sauce.
Nah, I can go with some now.
Use your shirt.
You trying 10 out
Oh
of 10.
shit, I hope I ain't got no pickles on mine. No pickles been on the burger, right? Oh good.
So these salads are made with chicken breader, and that's it, chicken breader. Because some of our salads are made with milk, some of them are made with beer batter. I don't know if they're gonna bring that back, the Shackmeister burger, but it's it could get you pretty drunk. Because the salads are dipped into beer.
Which I know why. But Shake Shack get this before it's gone in like 2 or 3 months. But this video gonna be posted in like less than almost in 2 months. So we still got videos ahead of this one.
It's still good,
Yeah.
But other than that,
the new one makes it like John.
I don't like the little sauce. But it's good, but it's good.
Man, this shit fire, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. Go get this. This shit fire. Go get this shit, y'all.
Need some water, bro.
I'm gonna say we can get some after this one. Bye, y'all. Take care of the kids. Hell happy. Stay tuned for more Shake Shack videos. Then know why. Copyright.